The Queen Mary Legal Advice Centre is one of the largest student law clinics in the country. It brings together undergraduate law students and volunteer lawyers to give legal advice and services to the public. And this includes public legal education, where we go out into the community. Some of our students engage on an extracurricular basis, and others engage with the Legal Advice Centre as part of a module for credit on their degree programme. Either way, all our students do ethics training and a lot of reflection to help us keep our service to the highest possible standard.
Clients can call or email the Queen Mary Legal Advice Centre with a legal issue. If we can help, we will book them in for an appointment with an undergraduate law student who will be supervised by a volunteer lawyer. After the appointment, the student will research the legal issue and write a letter of advice, which we will send to the client within 14 days of the appointment. All student work is supervised by a qualified lawyer to ensure accuracy and educational development.
Our students go into prisons and they provide free workshops and free legal advice. We've chosen to concentrate on the area of prisoner property because we know that prisoners face a lot of issues in this area of law. We find that going into the prisons ourselves, that the students can feel the real impact that their work is having on these prisoners. We also find that the students learn as much from the prisoners as the prisoners do from us in our service.
So as part of our one-to-one advice work and workshops, we routinely get feedback from various sources and for various reasons. For clients, after each advice letter that is sent out, we send them a client feedback form to make sure that we've answered their questions properly, that they've got a clear piece of legal advice that they can use, and that they've understood that advice. We might well follow that up later on with a call to see how helpful that advice has been to resolve the legal issue that they came to us with. For the Queen Mary Legal Advice Centre itself, feedback is obviously important to make sure that the service we provide meets the consistently high standards that we set ourselves, as well as informing the future development of that service. Our students also receive feedback from their legally qualified external supervisors around how appropriate an interview might have gone, the questions that they've asked and whether or not they were clear, their research skills and how at ease a client feels that they've been put by the student.